Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Assetto Corsa on Meta Quest 3. This guide will help you transform your racing simulation experience by bringing it into virtual reality. We will cover all the necessary steps, from hardware requirements to launching the game. Get ready to immerse yourself in the thrilling world of Assetto Corsa with the incredible capabilities of your Meta Quest 3 headset. Let's get started on setting up your ultimate virtual racing rig. To begin your virtual racing journey, you will need a robust gaming personal computer capable of handling demanding simulations. Your Meta Quest 3 headset will serve as your window into the virtual world, offering stunning visuals. Crucially, you'll need Assetto Corsa installed, alongside Steam VR, which manages the virtual reality environment. For a smooth, wireless experience, a high-speed Wi-Fi 6 or 6E router operating on the 5 GHz band is highly recommended. Connecting your Meta Quest 3 to your personal computer is straightforward using Meta Quest Link. You can choose between a physical USB 3 cable for a direct connection or the wireless AirLink for freedom of movement. For wireless play, ensure your personal computer is connected to a robust Wi-Fi 6 or 6E network, ideally on the 5 GHz band. Once connected, launch the Meta Quest application on your personal computer and then initiate Steam VR. With your Meta Quest 3 connected and Steam VR running, it's time to launch Assetto Corsa. Open Steam on your personal computer and start the game as usual. In the Assetto Corsa launcher, make sure to select the virtual reality option before clicking Start. Once in the game, take time to adjust your virtual reality settings, such as resolution and refresh rate, for the best experience. Optimizing graphics will ensure a smooth and incredibly immersive race.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.